Hey guys, so Lugia860 here, and today I have a Gliscor and Gligar blister pack to open up for you guys. This is a pretty cool blister pack. I like this artwork with Gliscor behind the moon, or in front of the moon. Really cool. And so yeah, not really much you can say about a blister pack. I really like this orange on the back. Let's see, I don't even know what packs it comes with. I do know it will come with a sampling pack. My favorite. Alright, so it looks like it comes with a Emerging Powers, a black and white sampling pack, and now you need to pop out our promo cards somehow. I hate these little dividends they put in here. Such a high risk of actually damaging the card. And it comes with an online code and our two promo cards. Really cool looking. Ninja Fang. So that's Gliscor, and Gligar is upside down. I really like Gligar and Gliscor. Really cool. Anyway, let's open our fantastic sampling pack. I wonder what we'll get. Let's see. We got Tepig, Sandile, and a potion. Very standard sampling pack cards. Alright, now we have an Emerging Powers booster pack. Alrighty. I totally destroyed it. Standard. Alright. Alright, so we have Gothita, Woobat, Panpour, Swaddle, Klink, Drillbur, Watchog, Pokemon Catcher, that's a good one, a Reverse Gothorita, and a Unpheasant rare. Unpheasant female rare. So the Pokemon Catcher pretty much made this pack, I think. But other than that, if you like Gliscor or Gligar or just cool cards in general, definitely pick up this blister pack. It's not like they're expensive, and they're pretty cool. I love this kind of hollow foil design they put on all these cool promo cards. So yeah, just a short little blister pack video. I have more stuff coming that I'm working on. It's just been taking a little while, so I kind of made this to tide you guys over for the moment. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.